Hi, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. This is a DIY hairpiece care and cleaning guide. Washing and conditioning your hairpiece is super easy, but you've got to do it right, so we're going to show you how to in this video. Step 1. Remove tape and close comb clips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future DIY videos. Step 2. Always brush your hairpiece out thoroughly before washing it. You never want to get tangles wet. Now she's ready to be shampooed and conditioned. Wet hair with lukewarm water, emulsify shampoo in wet hands, and then apply gently with downward motions from roots to ends. Do not scrub or agitate while shampooing the hair. Rinse out shampoo and then repeat same gentle downward distribution with conditioner. Rinse well. There's a printable step-by-step hair care and cleaning guide located in the info for this video, as well as the products that we use and recommend. Please check out our website at charle.com.